At Haskel, we understand how crucial controlling and monitoring compressor and system conditions during operation is. This is why we have created the Q-Drive gas compression system with a user-friendly HMI that enables robust monitoring and advanced control of the compressor and system conditions. Here's how the system works. First, you get access to an interface with Q-Drive that allows you to set different modes of operation, pressures, and cycle rates. For modes of operation, choose between compressor mode to maintain a constant process pressure, or between fill and pause or fill and stop for applications such as gas bottle filling. You also get to view indicators for the inlet pressure, inlet temperature to first compression, outlet temperature for second stage, heat exchanger interstage accumulator pressure, temperature leaving the second stage, and the outlet pressure. What's more, our HMI system allows you to set your output deadband, cycle rate, and target output pressure. We understand just how important safety is. This is why the system information page gives you a full overview of everything that's happening to help you maintain optimal temperatures and the target pressure. You can also check out all active alarms and the alarm history via the active alarm screen. Serviceability is important too. This is also why the HMI monitors running time and will notify you when spare parts are required and service is due, minimizing downtime. Don't wait. Add the power of controllability, connectivity, and serviceability with Q-Drive's powerful HMI system.